In this free guide, you will get all information about isolation repair. So why it's important to have isolation in electric car? Uh, HV system are mounted on car chassis, and there must be minimum electrical isolation resistance between HV system and car chassis to ensure safe car operation. There are two types of isolation. One is internal and another is external isolation. And here are some most common isolation alert code. 123 is internal isolation code, and for external you could get uh, 435 isolation code or 151. These are the most common isolation code. And how to fix it. So depend on which isolation code you have. uh, to fix internal isolation alert, if you click on this link, you will get all information about internal isolation, uh, how to diagnose, how to fix, what could be the reason for this isolation, how much it could cost, and independent workshop who are expert to fix such kind of alert with best affordable prices. So coming to next isolation, which is external isolation. So if you click on this link, you will find external isolation repair guide. And in this guide, you will find all information about external isolation, how to diagnose, what could be the reason, how much it will cost to fix the alert, and workshop who can fix such alerts. And in case if you need any online support, please feel free to contact us. So usually external isolation comes because of there could be any issue with HV component, and internal isolations comes. It suggests there is a some issue inside the HV battery. And to get this free guide, please have a look guide link in a description and also in a comment. If you have any question, if you need any support, please feel free to contact us.